taking to the skies of Tolleson. Customers in that area can get product from the fulfillment center within 1 hour of placing an order. This is a first-of-its-kind operation, with the drone center being located at a fulfillment site.
The drones were designed by Amazon and built by Amazon. The drone that we're operating right now is our Mach 30 drone, our MK30 drone. It's lighter, quieter, and extended range for our customers.
There's 12 drones at the site. The drones can carry up to 5 pounds. Many people using the service for health and beauty products, batteries, and drugstore goods. Those goods will be dropped off in the homeowner's front or backyard.
Okay, so you're seeing with this video now, cars delivering themselves. Essentially, it's like Johnny Cab from Total Recall, the Arnold Schwarzenegger movie. This is all actually, this is not science fiction, this is real. Now, on top of this, you've then got lorries have done the first driverless lorries across America. This has already happened. So this is an imminent situation that within the next one to 5 years, we're going to see a stream of driverless cars all across the world, driverless taxis all over the world. What does that do to the Uber driver market? What does that do to the delivery market? I just want to pose these questions, because once that impact happens, it's going to have a knock-on effect for the amount of money that's spent in small businesses, restaurants, bars, all across the world. And so this is why we said in the beginning, this impact is not just for a certain category, it's for everyone. Everyone will be affected by this.